It's amazing. My arse is rejuvenated. 10 seconds off the saddle, that's all it needed. Unfortunately, I forgot to top the petrol up at the end of the last ride, so I hate doing this. Have to fill up as soon as you set off. Sort of a right pain. Well, look at it. What a change. Blue sky. After what feels like about a month of rain every day, we finally got a lovely day. I'm heading down to Stockbridge in Hampshire, which in itself is a really pretty little sort of market town. Busy, very busy nowadays. One of my recent videos I posted on YouTube, I was testing this little device here. This little Beeline Moto 2 sat nav. I have to say, I've got quite attached to it. It's been absolutely solid. Very, very reliable. As I said in the previous video, the motivation for looking at the Beeline was to really just clear up some of the clutter here in front of me. This R12 NineT being a modern classic, all that kind of phone or dedicated sat nav and other gubbins here in front of you isn't really in keeping with the look and style of the bike. Also, in an effort to tidy things up a little bit, put a couple of these little ram mounts here, one on each, on the base of each mirror stem, which is really ideal. Just a little 1-inch ball there, which I can attach the ram mount to as and when required. So yeah, all in all, very happy with the decluttering which I've managed to achieve. Very fresh country smells going on right now. Because we're all brought up to believe that fresh country cow shit smell is good for you, I tend to take a big lungful of it and think, oh yeah, that's doing me good. But actually, fucking stinks, doesn't it, when you think about it? So we're in Stockbridge already. Got here quicker than I expected, actually. It's quite a nice little town. Usually very busy. Some nice kind of tea shops and things here. Don't think it's famous for very much, except perhaps Lily Langtry, who lived here, I think just up on the left hand side. Just after this yellow house, the house next to it. That one there, the meadow, that's where Lily Langtry lived, just in there. Lily Langtry being a very famous actress, stroke socialite with close connections to the royal family. Say no more about that. Bit of a glass there. It's got rid of some cobwebs. Just coming up to a village called Long Parish here. Long Parish is exactly that. It's a long village, parish. I think originally it was 3 or 4 sort of little hamlets that all merged into one. It's about 4 miles long, so I guess as villages go, it's probably one of the longest villages you'll find anywhere. There it is, the Hurstbourne Viaduct. So that's the Hurstbourne Viaduct. See more of it when we go fully past it, but it's 127 yards long, and it's got 9 arches, and each arch spans about 34 feet, and it was completed in 1854, and it is still in use today. So the train goes across that. It's the train from Whitchurch to Andover. I don't suppose we'll be lucky enough to see a train go over it while we're sitting here, but you never know. Yeah, rather nice. Okay, let's move on. Lovely thing. Look at this place. Rather nice. Beautiful old church. Pretty idyllic, isn't it? It's a lovely old church in front there. The shape and style of the spire would suggest it's pretty old, I would have thought.
In 2 miles, at the end of the road, turn right onto the...
It's a rough old road, this one. The suspension on this R12 NineT is a marked improvement over the predecessor, the R9T, but it's still not anything as sophisticated as my old GS. Another very pretty little place, well, apart from the shut down pub. Yeah, lorries, buses, they're all at it, aren't they? Oh Christ, he's at the brake a bit hard. Did you see? Did you see the 2 guys in that chapel scaffolding van lorry? Almost put their heads through the windscreen. Comedy that was at its best. I'm looking forward to playing that back. Shouldn't laugh really. It was very funny. I'm still laughing. I'm still laughing now. Come on, John, get a grip. Back in Wiltshire. God, up me. You see that drain? And what was left of the road around the edge of it? This surface is just disgraceful. Wiltshire roads, in terms of surfaces, have got to be some of the worst. There's a road that I use all the time actually, that runs between Burbage and Hungerford. And halfway along that road, you cross over the Wiltshire, Berkshire, West Berkshire border, and all the way along it on the Wiltshire side it's like this. It's really shit. And the second you go past that Berkshire sign, it's all lovely new road surface, absolutely beautiful surface for the remainder of that road all the way down to Hungerford. There's no better example of the contrast between two local authorities and how much they want to spend on their roads. Well, we're certainly going cross country a little bit here. Don't I know it? Christ, look at the bloody ruts here. It's like a train track. I have got a very sore arse. Looking forward to getting home now. Been riding for, I suppose, best part of a couple of hours, non-stop. Oh, there you go. I'm up. Oh, that is a right relief on the arse, I can tell you. Lovely jubbly. Oh, that just 5 or 10 seconds makes all the difference. It's amazing. My arse is rejuvenated. 10 seconds off the saddle, that's all it needed. So yeah, it's been another nice ride this afternoon, thank goodness for the good weather. We'll park it there. See you in the next one. Bye for now.